Well, good morning. I think I have some good news for Windows users. There is an update to the Windows 11 minimum system requirements. Apparently, Microsoft is going to, include more computers that will be eligible for the Windows 11 upgrade. So basically, if your computer is running Windows 10, chances are it's good enough. Oh, hang on one second. I have to move my Chromebook away from it's on my lap. Okay, I feel better now. Okay, so as I was saying, sorry, Microsoft. So as I was saying, if you have a computer running Windows 10 comfortably, chances are it would seem that it will run Windows 11 according to an update from Microsoft. Now, to do this, I guess you're going to have to take a look on how to download a disk image, an ISO file. You can take a look on Microsoft's how to download a Windows 10 disk image. Because apparently the process for installing Windows 10 from an ISO file will be the same for Windows 11. Yeah, this is not the most user-friendly way. Keep it up, Microsoft. I'm going to have people switch to Arch Linux. It might be easier for them. Anyway, yeah, so a little bit of good news if you are a Microsoft Windows 10 user. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go back to my Chromebook. Goodbye.